Hello everyone, my name is Petro and in this video I'm going to be showing you a USB battery charger from Power. This specific one I bought from eBay. I believe I paid around £9 for it, but you should be able to see the post ad any second now. Now what I'm going to do is show you the box itself and of course show you how the product works. So let's get into it. The box itself is a small box. So let's just zoom in and see the information that comes with it. So it says full of poses, overcharge protection, reverse protection, independent charging. Hopefully the lighting is not reflecting too much here. And that's the information on the top. Now at the bottom, short circuit protection, low voltage protection, overheating protection, and overvolting protection. So there's a lot of protection stated on the for this specific product. So let's just see. So that's the information on the front. Let's check the information on the sides. And again, you can charge this because this is a USB one. You can charge it from a laptop, on a plug socket, from an external battery, or if you're going to use one of those adapters that plugs in the car and charge it from the car. Now at the bottom, there's nothing there, and it's a very simple. It's a very simple box. So let's just open it. The way to open this one is you can open it from the top. So the only thing that's on the box is the product itself. There is no instructions. And this is the product itself. I kind of felt it was heavy, but I thought because of the batteries that come with it. But from the looks of it, the battery that comes with it are double the size of the AA battery, which they look like this. So this is the battery that comes with the charger, the USB charger. So they are the double the size of the normal AA battery. Again, I wouldn't know where you would use these ones, but if I had to assume, probably on some older device like a radio or an RC car, maybe something on those lines. Now it's very light. It doesn't. I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't feel premium, but it's like a very. The whole thing is not heavy. It's just plastic. So if I were to open this one, I'd assume there is a small motherboard there and just a few cables, and that's it pretty much. So this is the information on the back. Now the information on the front, and here it does say which batteries are suitable for this specific product, and it has the numbers. Now normally what will happen is once you put a battery in there, the light will turn red, stating that it's charging, and once the battery is charged, they will go from red to green, and it's as simple as that. So with this specific one, you should be able to use any type of battery that is this kind of style. So then this is I'm going to call this a bigger battery from AA. So this is the AA, then you get the AAA, and then of course maybe there is another smaller one on the same format as this one. But this is as simple as that. One thing to point out here is that it comes with a normal USB cable, but what happens is if this cable breaks, this product pretty much is broken. You can't use it anymore. So I wish they had put a micro USB input here, and then if the cable breaks, then you use a different cable. But again, you are paying £9, so you're getting pretty much what you're paying for. That's it pretty much. It's a simple product as that. If you were to buy this one would come with these 4 batteries. In case you wonder what they are or what their name is. It does say Shadow Hawk, 3.7 volts, 5000 milliamp hours. And that's it pretty much. Yeah, this is just a budget USB charging device. Thank you guys for watching the video. Do press the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and until next time, stay safe and take care.